In this video, we'll show you how to use the Smart Software portal to manage your school or institution's subscriptions to smart software. If you're a system administrator for smart software, you already know how to use a product key to activate Smart Notebook. You probably entered the key when you deployed Smart Notebook software on each teacher's computer. That product key activated the software so teachers could continue to use it after Smart Notebook's free trial period ended. But we've set up the software portal because we have a new and more effective way of managing each teacher's access to smart software: entitlement by email ID. Now, rather than using a product key to activate or entitle a single computer, you can entitle a teacher by adding that teacher's email address in the Smart Software portal. As long as the teacher uses that same email address to set up their smart account, they'll be entitled to sign in and use smart software on any device where it's installed. Let's have a look at the software portal. You can sign into the portal at subscriptions.smarttech.com. After you've signed in, you can view the subscriptions your school or district has purchased. As you can see, subscriptions are grouped by product and by the organization that purchased the subscription. If you expand the row, you can see how many subscriptions an organization has purchased for that product. In this example, my school or district has 2 subscriptions to Smart Learning Suite. It looks like they were purchased a day apart based on the renewal dates. If you're having trouble finding your school, you can use the All Organizations drop-down menu to find it. Just start typing the school name in the search bar. We'll keep looking at this school though. You can see more subscription details for a school by clicking a product key. Each product key represents a subscription, and each subscription includes a certain number of seats, which you can use to entitle teachers. To the right of the organization column, you can see the number of available seats and the number of seats that have already been assigned. You can assign teachers to seats by adding their email addresses under Manage Users. Have a look at the step-by-step instructions on Smart's support site if you want to do this. And keep in mind, when you entitle a teacher by adding an email address, it's good to let the teacher know which email you've entitled, just in case they're using a different email to sign into their Smart account. As long as a teacher sets up their account using the email address you entitled, they can access Smart software products on any device once they sign into their account. In future videos, we'll show you more about using the Smart Software portal, including how to check a subscription's details and how to manage a subscription by adding and deleting users. So be sure to follow the Smart Support channel and save this playlist. And don't forget to log into the portal and explore it for yourself. Once you get started, you can visit our support site for step-by-step instructions on any task that you want to perform.